Number 19 says adults with smartphones are randomly selected. 41% use them in meetings or classes. That's your probability of success. That's point P. So that's going to be 0.41. If 30 adult smartphone users, that's N, is 30. Find the probability that exactly 22. So you're trying to find the probability X equals 22. So what you do is you go to StatCrunch, and then you go, let me see, StatCrunch, StatCrunch, Stat, Calculators, Binomial, and you're going to enter in your P and your N. Then right below that, choose the equal sign and 22, and then press compute. I think you get 0.0003. On number 20, it's going to be the very same thing, similar. P is 0.45. That's your probability of success. 9 adult smartphone users are randomly selected. That's N equal 9. Find the probability that at least 2 of them, at least 2 means X is greater than or equal to 2. So you go to StatCrunch, you go to Stat, Calculators, Binomial, enter in your P, enter in your N, and then make that bottom line look like that. Choose greater than or equal to, enter in the 2, and then press compute. And I believe that's how the rest of your homework problems are. Let me know if you have other questions.